Hi everyone, I've just come to share with you another journal that I've made. This one is a Jane Austen themed journal and it's a hardcover. It's got fabric on the cover, it has 3 signatures, it's turned out quite chunky. There is digital kits from Dreams Etc, Artie Mays, Tsunami Rose, and I've used a little bit of some journaling pages from Mindbarity. Had to think about that. I knew I'd use something from somewhere else. So like I said, it's a big chunky one. Let's see how much it measures, because I haven't actually measured that. I do know there is 180 pages front and back, and it measures 8 by 5.5, and it has a 2¼ inch spine. I'm so sorry you can hear my printer going off. I started to print something earlier and it wouldn't print, and I restarted the printer and now it's printing. So just as when I don't need it. So we have some lace trim, pom-pom trim, crocheted trim. The front cover here, this is from, I believe, Dreams Etc. Got some of this lovely crocheted, part of a big doily, and I've just cut a bit off and used that ruffle trim that I made, some cheesecloth, and some of this pearl trim here that I got from Monique. There's some cheesecloth there and some stitching. Haven't done a Jane Austen themed journal in a while, so like I say, you can see it's quite a chunky one. So let's go inside. See if I make sure I'm in frame. So in the front cover I have a bunch of ephemera here, and this paper here is from Mindbarity, and we have an envelope, and it doubles up as obviously the envelope. You can tuck things inside, and a pocket. We have a tag, and we have this kind of bookmark. There's a few of them in the journal, and I don't know where I got that from. Can't remember if it's Etsy or Pinterest or something, because I've got quite a bit of Jane Austen bits and pieces. There's a tag here, and I think that's from Artie Mays. This is from Tsunami Rose, and I've just added bits of ribbon and fibres and just little bits that I've got floating around, just tiny bits of things to decorate some of the ephemera. So here we have an envelope pocket. Oh, and I do have to say as well, all the pockets were made by my son. He was in helping me in the shed yesterday, and he'd actually said, oh, can I come in and help, can do some stuff. So kind of showed him how to do the envelopes. He decorated the envelopes, he decorated all this. I done the stitching because he didn't know how to use a sewing machine. So yes, all the pockets were made by my son, and his name is Connor. Tag from the kit. So I'm gonna show him how to make a traveller's notebook, maybe over the weekend or Monday. We'll see how that turns out, because he actually found it quite therapeutic, and I thought that was good. Had to clear some space for him as well. So we've got some crocheted trim here, some eyelash trim, this bling here, which I think I need to glue that down a little bit more. There's stamping, stenciling, so much room for journaling as well. This is from Dreams Etc. Even showed him how to do a Terry Woods flip out pocket. So it's so, he was like, this is so easy. And yet it took me ages to learn these pockets. I showed him once and it was like he'd mastered it, so I was quite proud of that. Large tag here. We have a journaling card and a tag. We have a doily. There is some Greek dictionary page in here. Paper bag, some Edith Holden. I've done some stamping. This is Tsunami Rose. This is Artie Mays. I kind of flip through all the journaling pages. I made a little fabric snippet thing there. Edith Holden, paper bag, dictionary page, doily. Another envelope here, and in there we have a tag, a ticket from one of the kits, another journaling card, And this I think I found on Pinterest, and I just put this blue. It was just because her dress is kind of blue, but now I'm looking at it, it kind of looks kind of lilac. Bad lighting in here. Obviously that's a pocket as well as a tuck. The pom-pom trim, some music paper. Here we have 3 pockets. In each one there is a tag. That one says live well, laugh often and love much. This one says today, tomorrow, forever. I've been pulling out some of my old stamps lately because they're kind of dormant, just sitting in boxes behind me. So I'm trying to get them out and start using some of them. Second signature here, another envelope pocket. And obviously these envelope pockets are opened at the top as well. And this was decorated using some paper from Tsunami Rose with a tag there, and it's got a ruffle trim, some eyelash trim and some bling. We have a tag there. Can't remember if they're an Etsy or a Pinterest find, but I got them as well. And a card here, and that is from Dreams Etc. Some crocheted trim. Another Terry Woods flip here. We have a tag, a journaling card and another tag. A doily, some more dictionary page, paper bag, Edith Holden. We've got some more of this trim with some cheesecloth and some pearl bling there. Paper bag, another envelope here with a tag and a journaling card. There's nothing like staying at home for real comfort. That's true. It's also nice to get away and have some peace and quiet and some comfort. Another journaling card. Another little snippet thing that I made there. It's a pom-pom trim. Music, paper. This is from Tsunami Rose. Here's another one of these bookmarks. Another journaling card and a tag. And we've just got a little piece of crocheted trim there with a little flat back pearl there. Third signature, another pocket there with a fabric trim, ruffle, sorry, a fabric ruffle, some cheesecloth and some bling. A Tiffany & Co. stamp tag. Funny enough, I started watching Breakfast at Tiffany's last night and fell asleep. I love that film, it's fantastic. Oh, and I've popped 2 of them in there, so I don't know if I meant to do that. Another trim here with some bling and some cheesecloth. Another envelope here. Oops. A tag, a library card, another journaling card and a tag from Artie Mays. I will link everyone's shop below so that you can go over and take a peek. Just checking the time. This is another Terry Woods flip here, and I've just paper clipped that closed. It's got some stenciling on there and a doily and a ticket and a butterfly. Got a large journaling card there and another one here. We have another one of these cards and another tag, so that all just pops in there. And I've actually got enough ephemera left over. I'm going to make a traveller's notebook in a Jane Austen theme. That will probably be my next one. Some more snippet here. That come out, I don't know what happened, but it kind of double printed there, but I thought it looked kind of cute, so I still used it. And here we have another pocket. It's got some trim there, some bling, and another bookmark. Journaling card, another journaling card, and an envelope. There is nothing in the envelope. Journal was just getting too chunky, so had to stop. And in the back we have another envelope pocket and a library card, a tag, a journaling card, another bookmark, and a tag. So like I said, I will link everyone below where I got the kits from, and obviously you can, if you're looking for things, you can always do searches on Pinterest or Google, and there is a lot of lovely stuff that you can purchase and get for free out there. This will also be listed in my shop, and I have 10% off at the moment till the end of the month, and the code will be below for that. So if you want to take advantage of 10% off, go ahead. If you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.